How's it going, everybody? Welcome to another daily video from 88 Rotors Off-Road. We have a video today for you Tundra lovers. This MGM Toyota Tundra is coming in for a 35-inch tire setup. And in order to fit that, we're going to be installing a 3-inch spacer lift and doing a body mount chop to clear it. For the wheels and tires, we're going with the Feel Vector 18x9 with a positive 20 offset. It's going to be in a matte black finish. As for the tires, we're going to be using a 35, 12.5, 18 Toyo Open Country RT. Take another look at this Tundra in its stock form. Once it goes on that rack and it goes back down, it's not going to be the same anymore. And a friendly reminder here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Turn on that notification bell, that way you won't miss any of our future videos. Here's a closer look. You can actually see the 3-inch strut spacer installed on top of the strut mount. Here are the wheels, 18x9 plus 20 Feel Vectors. Here our tech is installing the 35, 12.5, 18 Toyo Open Country RT. Here you can see our tech installing the 1.95-inch rear lift block with extended U-bolts. With this spec, it's guaranteed that your TSS will not throw any malfunction codes. As usual, when everything is done, we double check and mark all of our nuts and bolts. And here, our body mount chopper is ready to get into the front of the wheel well. Want to see more details on the body mount shop, just go to our channel and search up BMC. Here's one of our daily shipments from BF Goodrich. The owner of this truck wanted some better lighting, so we're installing a set of 6,000 Kelvin temperature HID lights on it. Here, our tech is torquing down the wheels to spec, getting ready to pull it out for a test drive and ready to be delivered to the customer. And a quick shout out to Sean from First Class Mobile Detail. He came by today to clean up our Jeep and Tundra. If you want to see more details and more videos on these two, just go to our channel, search up Supercharged Tundra TRD Pro or JL Rubicon, and those will pop up. And here are some AMP Research electric side steps. We have these in stock and they're ready to rock. Contact us if you're interested in a set so we can get them on your vehicle. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them down below. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so. Turn on that notification bell. That way you won't miss any of our future videos. We hope you enjoyed the video, and please enjoy the rest of it. But if you did enjoy the video, please also give us that thumbs up. It does make a big difference for our channel. Watch till the very end to see more detailed angles so you can see how the wheel and tire setup sits on this vehicle. Thanks very much for viewing, guys. Tune back in tomorrow. We'll be publishing a new video tomorrow at noon Pacific Standard Time.